Hey, Jimmy with Cuffing Stuff. Well, South Carolina weather. Christmas Day, it's in the 70s. We're running around in t-shirts and shorts, flip-flops. Just a few days later, now here it is in the 20s. We got frost everywhere. It's about to freeze out here. Well, all right, so it's gonna be cold all day. What do you want to get warmed up when you get home? Well, we got another good one for you. We're gonna do a roast beef chili that can cook all day while you're gone to work. When you come home, oh man, this is good stuff. So hang tight. Okay, well, here's what I've got. I've got the meat that I ground up. I've already put it in. Now, it was frozen when I put it in this crock pot, which is fine. It'll be fine. It's already started to thaw out. I've got the heat turned on, and it'll be just fine. So, to that, I'm gonna add the cow powder. Ta-da, of course. I'm gonna put probably a tablespoon and a half, and I'm just covering over the top of it. And I'm gonna put South Texas Red in it. And I like that. Maybe 2 South Texas Red. And just a little bit of smoke bomb. That's probably a tablespoon. Smoke bomb. Ta-da. All right. I'm gonna add Lea and Perrin. This is 1, 2. About 2 good tablespoons of it. I'm gonna throw all my vegetables. I'm gonna throw all that in on top of it. That's my 2 color onions, yellow and red. My red bell peppers. My garlic, jalapenos. What else did I cut up? I'm gonna put in my 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. All right, there's both of those. I'm gonna put a can of tomato sauce. Now, this is one 28-ounce can. If you want to use 2 14.5, you go right ahead. All right, and let's stir him up. This is a crock pot full. I kid you not, but this is good stuff. Now, again, this meat is already cooked, so all I'm doing is I'm letting these vegetables cook down, and all of this marry together. And believe me, when I get home, okay, one last thing I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna put about half of this container of beef stock. Stir it up good. And there you have it. Put the lid on, Da-da-da-da. There's the lid, and off we go. We'll see it in about 8 hours. Okay, well, let's go back through what we did. We took some roast that we had previously smoked on the smoker to use for something else we had left over. We took and ran it through the grinder. Oh my goodness, was this stuff good. We used it. We chopped up our vegetables. We will have a recipe down below in the description. We chopped up our vegetables. We got all of that in. We let it cook all day long. Look in the description. You'll see what went in there. We walked in the door. We walked up, stirred it up. Oh my gosh, is it good. In fact, here's a bowl of it. I just dipped it up. I'm going in. That smoky flavor added to that chili. Oh my gosh. Now, you're gonna notice I didn't use chili powder. I didn't need it. All that Uncle Steve shake, perfect for this chili. Thanks for hanging around. If you haven't already, hit this circle on this side and subscribe. Ring that bell so you don't miss anything. I'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.